So if you guys do not want to hear me talk, if you guys do not want to hear me talk, just go to this time right here, and you'll just see me flying. What's good, YouTube? And we back with another episode of Rain Regime. And oh man, you see that new lighting right there? So I'm excited. I just set up my brand new recording studio, man cave game room. I'm excited to tell you guys what I just did, and I'm sure you've already seen the title, but I got a chance to go out and fly a helicopter. Now, I was not unsupervised, clearly, because I have 0 flight hours. I've been in a lot of helicopters before, a ton of helicopter rides, but that was my first time actually being able to fly a helicopter. It was absolutely amazing. I had so much fun, and I only flew for maybe like 15 or 20 minutes. Everything else was kind of him flying and like teaching me like the controls as far as the pedals on the floor to the I don't even know what it's called. It makes you go higher and lower. The other control, which obviously the one everybody thinks that controls a whole helicopter like I did, or aircraft, whatever you want to say, and move it left and right. But obviously you can tell by the way I'm speaking that I have never flown an aircraft until yesterday. So it was an amazing opportunity. $140, Discover flight. R-22 was the actual aircraft. The guy was super friendly, super cool. He had 1,500 flight hours, but it was great. So at this time, guys, you know what time it is. Rain regime, you know what I'm saying? Rain the world. We trying to get it. So without further ado, check out this video right here. Check it out, man. Oh. I still have not gotten the Jeep back. I still have not gotten my SRT, and it's killing me. I mean, it is the 19th of October, and I have yet to see my Jeep. All right, man. Rain regime, rain the world. We out.
Let's go. I heard they vibing to your songs, bro. I know they really rapping what you live, bro. I know they say them steppers, yeah, they trained to go. I know.